52. God with us. Isaiah 7:14, in the prophecy of Christ's virgin birth, he is described as Emmanuel. In Matthew 1:23, we're reminded of what Emmanuel means, God with us. This is an amazing aspect of our faith. Man, having been created by God to serve him, chose to be his own God and to serve himself, to be his own source of law and truth. Genesis 3:5. Yet, God in his mercy sent his only begotten Son to be our new Adam, 1 Corinthians 15:45, to recreate us to be God's new human race and to deliver us from our own evil and from the evil one. This is why Christmas is a time of such great joy. Jesus Christ is God with us. He is with us not only because of his incarnation, but by his continuing presence and help. Other people may not be with us in any close and sustaining way. Our spouse or our children may be alien to our life and faith. All this is overridden by the eternally true presence. God is with us in the presence and grace of Jesus Christ. Because of this, we may boldly say, "The Lord is my helper, and I will not fear what man shall do unto me." Hebrews 13:6. A little while ago I heard from a widow facing her first Christmas alone. She is in faith separated from her children, yet she knows this. For he hath said, I will never leave thee nor forsake thee. Hebrews 13:5. The God who is with us is with her.